you see
try some of these
somebody
snacks?
saying is
Sure. Oh, this is same that
Cilantro. I sometimes put lemon on it if you want.
that's made by your mom also?
No, I got this from the store.
Well, if you want to get snacks, Indian snacks back, you can go to the store and you can buy.
You'll like this. This is nice crispy snack.
The keeper, whereas the one that took aim couldn't find the target.
Hey, handball.
De Bruyne bringing it down on the turn and
Hey.
Alan needed. Team on a major problem.
Oh, that's good.
And look at the target.
Handball. That's penalty.
Report because just
Hey,
tripped
come on.
to the far post. I like when you were talking about it earlier.
So this one goes left and right.
Okay.
When you go like this, it goes backwards, and when you push, it goes forwards. So here, just go backwards. The other way. Go the other way.
And that's your assist like if he falls or if he turns out, that's your assist well.
Yeah, it's meant for bashing, which means like essentially you can have it go vroom like
Levantó piedra, ¿eh?
this thing, your eye go left and right like this. And this is to go focus in and out. Okay? And when you're focusing, once you get the right first get the right distance.
Okay.
Then do one eye at a time.
Okay.
You see the white dot?
Yeah, but it's still in there.
Okay, so then you have to.
This one is not from Timo either.
One eye at a time.
Okay.
So it's really, and then if it's too tight,
see?
loosen it in the back.
Do you see? Yeah, hold on.
And then you have to turn it.
Yeah.